Alright, Microsoft released Windows 10 last year, and I'm sure most of you have the Windows pop up at the bottom of the screen, and if you're running Vista 7, 8, or 8.1, urging you to upgrade for free. I know a lot of people dislike 10. I'm constantly getting requests at my day job to uninstall 10 and reinstall 7, which usually means wiping the computer clean. But since the release of Windows 10, there's been a serious issue with Windows updates on Vista 7, 8, and 8.1. Basically, Windows updates can take eons. Normally, we install Windows 7 Professional from DVD with the SP1 already on it. We have official Microsoft media. Once we install it and activate it, we attempt to do updates. This normally involves the Windows Update utility doing an update on itself, and then it'll check for updates. The checking for updates takes a minimum of 10 hours, no matter what your internet connection is. We're on a 200 megabit connection here. After that, we normally do security updates and all that jazz, and then we install the .NET Framework 4.5.2, the newest one that's out there, and the Internet Explorer 11 for Windows 7. However, this takes eons. It's like it'll sit there for about 10 hours, and then all of a sudden it'll say, oh yeah, I'm supposed to do updates, and it will do the updates. And they go pretty fast after that. Well, it's getting worse. I just fresh installed on this laptop Windows 7 Professional Service Pack 1 64-bit. I have activated it. It's genuine. I did the update for the Windows Update client. It took it almost 12 hours to do the first checking for updates after the new client was installed. I then selected on a hunch that the new update client requires the new .NET Framework 4. I went ahead and told it to download just that. As you can see, it says one update. On the update screen, it said this was 54.6 or 54.9 megabytes, something small for a 200 megabit connection. I started this at 7:37 in the evening yesterday. As you can see, the time this morning, there we go, is 8:50. It's been going for over 13 hours, and this is all it does. It'll sit here at downloading one update, 0K, 0%, until it decides to get off its butt, and then it'll say, oh yeah, I need to download this. It downloads usually in under 10 seconds, installs, and then I have to repeat this process. It's the same thing whether I select one update or 100 updates. I've read a lot of comments on deleting the software distribution folder after stopping the service and everything. Nothing works. This is broken on Vista 7, 8, and 8.1, and Microsoft is not fixing it. As somebody who runs a computer business, well, works at one, I'm the lead IT specialist, I have loads of computers that I have to keep updates going on at commercial locations for security reasons. These computers are becoming impossible to update because I can't tell people you're going to have to take a day off so I can update your computer. But some computers will take a decade, and some computers will do it in 10 seconds. It's random. And the weird thing is we have client locations which have the same computer, the same model, same specs, same hardware, same every last detail that have been kept up to date. And now some of them will take a day, some of them will take 10 seconds. Most of them take a day or two to run the updates. And while these are running, I don't know what it's doing. It just sits here like this using up your CPU and RAM. It will use every bit of RAM and every bit of CPU that you've got. Your fan will spin up, and it'll sit there like this until it's damn well ready to run the updates. I'm hoping that somebody will share this and it'll get around, and maybe Microsoft will be shamed into doing something with their product. If this is their way of forcing users to go to Windows 10, it's not working. I've got users now that are running Linux distributions, various ones, Debian, Gen 2, because they don't want to go to Apple, and they're tired of Microsoft. So they're killing their own user base. People aren't going to go to Windows 10. They dislike it. So please share, and maybe we can get Microsoft to do something.